Welcome back to LEDs for Dummies. We'll be showing you how to wire up LED neon flex. So do you want to be creative and make awesome looking signs like these? This is what we call LED neon flex. This is what replaces the old school neon. So if we take a look at the back, you will see there's a few lines here. This is 100mm cut points. So on our table here, we have 10 meters, and this can all be powered up by one transformer from one side only. So if we take a close look at the neon flex, you'll see that there are two tiny little holes over here. You're going to take your pin and you're going to push it into this hole to make sure you've got a proper connection. So once you've done that, you need to get your 24-volt power cord. You've got a positive and a negative cable here. And as you can see, you've got two tiny little holes here as well. Before assembly, add some glue to ensure a proper connection. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pin that was on your neon flex, you're going to line it up, and you're going to push the pin into the adapter. So go ahead and grab your heat shrink, slip it over the cable, but don't put it all the way just yet. We're going to take some marine silicone and we're going to put it around our joint so that we have a watertight seal. Now grab your heat gun and use it to shrink the heat shrink. Once that's done, take your end cap, fill it with some marine silicone and place it onto the end of your neon flex. This will prevent any water from getting inside where the connections are and creating some corrosion issues. Grab the marine silicone again and place it around all the edging of the end cap to make sure that you have a watertight seal. Now take your other piece of heat shrink and put it over the end cap just like this, and you're going to use your heat gun again. As you can see here now, we have the aluminium channel. What you're going to do is you're going to take your neon flex and you're going to push it into this channel. This will serve as its heatsink, as well as for mounting it up onto walls or anything like that. So as you can see, the white part disappears, so all you're going to see is the light shining out the top. Now we have our transformer here. You can see that we've already got our 220 volts wired in. So now we're going to wire in our positive and our negative. The brown cable is our positive and the blue cable will be our negative. Once all our cables are in, we're going to put the protective cover over our live joints and go ahead and plug the transformer in. There we go, and as you can see, it is incredibly bright. This is 24-volt neon flex using 150 watts, using only 12 watts per meter. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned for episode 11 of LEDs for Dummies, where we will be showing you how to wire a fluorescent fitting.